Wheat is where every loaf of bread begins. Modern farming turns fields into flowing raw material. Every stalk is harvested with precision and speed. Separation ensures only usable grain moves forward.
Harvested wheat is collected in bulk.
Efficiency means harvesting never stops. Raw ingredients are handled in massive volumes.
Quality checks begin at the source.
The journey from field to factory begins. Logistics connect agriculture to industry. Wheat moves into the industrial system. Every load is measured and recorded.
Quality verification continues before processing.
Raw wheat officially enters the production chain. Elevators move grain efficiently across levels.
Material flows toward long-distance transport.
Bulk handling minimizes loss and contamination.
Transport begins only after sealing.
From intake, grain is moved without exposure.
Elevators move grain efficiently across levels. Material flows toward long-distance transport. Bulk handling minimizes loss and contamination. Raw material now travels at scale. Logistics keep bakeries supplied continuously. Wheat reaches its next transformation point. Precise records ensure consistency. Storage buffers production demand. Industrial baking begins at scale. The facility opens its flow. Precision ensures clean transfer. Raw material enters the bakery.
Air moves ingredients silently.
Storage balances production speed.
Flow is controlled with accuracy. Ingredients travel without interruption.
This is the heart of the bakery.
Machines prepare for transformation. Fermentation starts with precision. The system is sealed for action. Mechanical force replaces manual labor.
This is where bread truly begins.
Mixing gives way to controlled handling. Dough moves without interruption. Cleanliness is built into every step. Every piece meets exact standards. Consistency is enforced automatically. Testing relaxes the dough structure. Environment shapes final texture. Shape is refined mechanically. Human oversight still matters. Mortar prepares dough for shaping. Clean surfaces protect product integrity.
Portions are now ready for forming.
Dough advances toward transformation. Time and temperature take control.